Welcome to Blind Abilities. I'm Jeff Thompson. In continuation with our iPhone 101 series, we're going to bring you some more demos to help you navigate and use the apps and features built into your iOS devices. And if you want to find more iPhone 101 demos, check us out on the web at www.blindabilities.com. Download the free Blind Abilities app from the App Store and Google Play Store. That's 2 words, Blind Abilities. And if you're really into some really hot tech out there in the blindness community, check out That Blind Tech Show and Tech Abilities right here on the Blind Abilities Network. Today, we're going to be talking about text replacement. This is a shortcut that you can add a large phrase or a commonly used phrase and save you a lot of time. Say you're doing a paper in college and up in the left-hand corner, you have to put something that you put there all the time. Make it into a phrase, use a shortcut, boom, there you go. Or if it's an email, tired of putting in an email address with that underscore and the @ sign, well, make it into a phrase, put a shortcut, there you go. And this is done in the keyboard settings of your iOS device. So let's open up Settings.
Settings.
Single finger double tap. Let's go to General by a single finger swiping left to right.
General.
Single finger double tap. And then the keyboards. Swiping left to right.
Keyboard button.
Double tap. Then we'll go down to Text Replacement. Swiping left to right.
Text Replacement button.
Double tap.
Selected. Keyboards back button. Text Replacement heading.
Swiping left to right, we'll come to Add.
Add button.
Double tap, and this will drop us into a dialog box where we put the phrase.
Text field is editing. Word mode. Insertion point at start.
So I'm going to put in an email address. It's going to be info@blindabilities.com.
Phrase. Text field is editing. info@blindabilities.com.
So once I type it in, I'll do a single finger swipe to the right, and I land into the shortcut text box.
Shortcut optional text field.
And here, I'll put a shortcut that I'll remember, INBA, which stands for info@blindabilities.com. And then I'll go up and save this.
Save button.
Once it's saved, we can go down and check to see if it's in our list.
info@blindabilities.com.
And there we go. Inba. And by flicking up or down, you can find the delete and get rid of these if you don't need them.
Delete.
So to test this out, let's go send an email. Let's see if it works.
Compose button.
Single finger double tap.
To text field is editing.
I'm just going to put in the INBA.
INBA.
Hit the space bar and I'll check it out.
To text field is editing. info@blindabilities.com.
There it is. Perfect. Now there's other things you can use this for, like phrases. Here's one I have for a phrase that I'll use at the end of some email or some messages.
XC, the only fool bigger than the fool who says he knows it all is the fool who argues with him.
Or some commonly used one throughout the whole year.
HB, happy birthday, smiling face.
And of course, you can put emojis in there. That should make a lot of people happy. So there you go. So if you find yourself using something repeatedly, go ahead, make a shortcut. Let Text Replacement put it in there for you. Save yourself some time and move on. Hope you enjoyed this iPhone 101 demo, and if you want to find more, be sure to check them out on the web at www.blindabilities.com. Click on the category menu and select iPhone 101, and you'll find them all. And if you want to send some feedback or suggest some demos that you would like to see on the iPhone 101 series, you can email us in at info@blindabilities.com. Send us a tweet on Twitter at blindabilities. Once again, thanks for listening. Hope you enjoyed, and until next time, bye-bye.
When we share
what we see
through each other's eyes, we can then begin to bridge the gap between
the limited expectations and the realities of blind abilities.
The realities of blind abilities.
For more podcasts with a blindness perspective, check us out on the web at www.blindabilities.com, on Twitter at blindabilities. Download our app from the App Store, blindabilities, that's 2 words, or send us an email at info@blindabilities.com. Thanks for listening.